Microsoft Teams is now in use all over the world by millions and millions of users. Most people that use Microsoft Teams also use a product called Microsoft Lists. Microsoft Lists allow us to store data for virtually anything we can think of. They're really easy to create and really versatile, and they're definitely something you should know about. Here's the 5 top uses for Microsoft Lists. Usage 1, tasks. Nearly every company out there needs to store tasks, and when you create tasks you need to set due dates and assign them to team members. Lists makes this really easy. Usage number 2, manage your events. Every company out there at some point will want a schedule of the events that they're hosting, so you might have things like webinars, conferences you're going to run, you might have Christmas parties, staff away days, all kinds of events. Usage number 3, inventory management. Every single company out there is going to want to keep track of their stuff, so stuff can mean anything to any company. In a car parts business you might want to keep track of your stock, so you might have the number of windscreen wipers you've got, the number of brake parts, the number of wheels, etc. Reason number 4, contacts. Every company has many contacts, ranging from employees to the partners to the customers. These contacts need to be kept in a central place, and a Microsoft List is perfect for this. The 5th way to use a Microsoft List is projects. I'm sure you've worked on a project yourself. Companies have several projects running at the same time. You need to keep track of what the project is, what the budget is, the expected due date, and all the milestones on the project. Microsoft Lists are perfect for projects as well. If you'd like to learn more about Microsoft Lists, we at Club 365 have invited Microsoft's Mark Kashman to come and join us for a 3-hour workshop where he's going to teach you how to master Microsoft Lists. If you want to come, just check our bio.